Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about how we can make an use of Moz SEO software, and it is going to be part 1, which means in the Moz SEO tool, I will show you only the few elements in this video, and then I will be talking about the remaining elements in the upcoming videos one by one, and I do not want to rush. As we all have learned what is domain authority and what is page authority, and in one of the last videos we have seen how we can make an use of the Moz software to check the domain authority and page authority. Now quickly I want to navigate to Google, and then I want to search Moz, and it will take us to this particular page, and here we can see moz.com, and let me click on this particular website. And for the people who doesn't know what Moz is, I will let you know just in 30 to 40 seconds of time. Moz is a company which will provide the tools and software just to help the search engine optimization, and the main motive of this particular website is to help the businesses and website owners to improve their online visibility and to rank higher on Google search engine results page. And by making an use of this Moz SEO tool, we can clearly understand how well our website is performing online and what else that we can do to make our website online. I hope you clearly understand what Moz is about. Now I want to check the domain authority, and most people get confused. Whenever they come inside the moz.com, they will not be able to see the search bar to check the domain authority. So it is very easy. All you have to do is in the Google search engine, you have to search like Moz free domain authority checker, and then in the very first website we can clearly see the page free domain authority checker by Moz, and when we click enter, it takes us directly to the page where we can paste the URL of our website, and then we can start checking the domain authority. And now I want to check the domain authority for flipkart.com. I want to check Flipkart, and then I want to click on check domain authority, and then it just take 1 or 2 seconds of time, and then it will be landing directly on the page where we can check the domain authority and then the page authority details. Now in this video, I want to talk only about the first 4 elements which are very important, so that you will have a very clear picture about how we can make an use of this Moz SEO tool. And always remember, the Moz SEO tool is a paid tool, which means they will allow only the free searches only for 3 times per day, and after that we have to pay something. So every day we will be able to check only 3 times. So be careful while you are making an use of the Moz website. And now when it comes to flipkart.com, here we can see the domain authority, linking root domains, ranking keywords, and then the spam score. 90 to 95% of people know what is flipkart.com, but I want to take a better example, amazon.com, so that everybody will understand what is domain authority that we are exactly talking about. And the Amazon website is very famous, right? Now quickly I want to search for amazon.com. Alright, once I have searched for the amazon.com, then we got the results. Here we can see the domain authority as 96. What exactly does it mean? Amazon domain authority is 96 out of 100, which means it is telling to the search engines that Amazon is super trustworthy and has a very strong online presence. Or maybe if you are managing our own website, imagine that our website had a very high domain authority. It means that Google will trust our website, and then we are likely to rank higher on Google search engine results page. Now for a website like Click and Capture Studio, which is our business, which is related to wedding photography. Now imagine that if our domain authority is very higher, and anybody who searches for wedding photography in Hyderabad, the Click and Capture Studio will come onto the top of the Google search engine results page. And if we are not coming onto the top of the Google search engine results page, then we have to focus on creating the great content and getting the quality backlinks from the trusted websites, and that is the time we will be getting the higher domain authority like Amazon. And now I want to talk about linking root domains. What exactly does it mean? Now here we can see the Amazon has backlinks from 5.3 million different websites, and these are not just the links but links from unique websites. You have to keep that in mind. Now when it comes to our business, maybe Click and Capture Studio, let's say 50 wedding blogs are directories like popular websites where we are getting the backlinks to our website. That will exactly help us to get more trust and rank higher. So we have to focus on getting the links from unique websites is better than getting many links from the same site. I hope you understand. Now I want to talk about ranking keywords. We can clearly see that Amazon ranks for 22 million keywords, which means when people search for products, Amazon website is showing up in results of the Google for a huge variety of searches. Now at the same time, when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio, imagine we rank for keywords like like maybe best candid photography in Hyderabad, budget friendly wedding photographer, something like that. The more keywords we rank for, the more chances people will find us in online. I hope you understand that. And finally, in this video, I want to talk about spam score. We can see Amazon spam score is just 7%, which is considered very low, right? And always remember that a higher spam score means search engines might think this particular website is shady. And also when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio website, if we are getting the backlinks from low quality or spammy sites, our spam score might increase. So we have to be very careful. We have to avoid that, and only we have to focus on getting the backlinks only from the trusted sites like well-known blogs or directories rather than random or unrelated websites. It is very much important. In simple terms, maybe I can say that these metrics are like report cards for our website. The better the score for each, the higher the chances of people finding our website when they search online. And when it comes to Click and Capture Studio, we have to create valuable content, we have to build strong backlinks, and then we have to focus on trusted platforms to grow. If you have any questions on this particular topic, I want you to comment down right below this video. I will read each and every one of your comments and I will answer each and every one of your comments. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel, where I did 100+ videos which will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.